Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of 30 days English speaking challenge. It is a day 6 and I did it 5 days continuously. So I'm very happy about that and thank you for supporting my channel and thank you so much. And I hope all you are doing well and I'm also doing well. So today I want to talk about my favorite food. So I like simple food. Usually I like oily food also, but I don't eat. My mood, if I have mood to eat oily food, so I eat. Otherwise, I don't eat usually. But my favorite food is dal, rice, and any vegetable. I like green vegetable, leafy vegetable. I like green amaranthus, like red amaranthus and spinach and cabbage. All the greeny vegetable I like. So I feel that if I eat green vegetable and healthy food, then means I feel happy. When I feel happy, my mood is very good. Then I make my family happy. No, so that's why I eat only simple food. I like outside food also, but I don't eat. Means wow, whenever I go outside, like. For visiting purpose, then I eat. Usually I don't take much outside food like pizza, burger. Means even I don't allow to my children also. Whenever they want to eat pizza, burger, or anything else, so I prefer in good means I prefer to make it in a good manner in my home only, and I gave them to means I give them to eat. And every person has their own choice. So I like simple food, and some person like many things like non-veg or other things, but I like simple food. And now means I have a cooking passion also. Means whenever I feel I have to cook food, means not a simple food. Whenever I get any new recipe or anything else, if I have mood, so I prefer to make it and eat. Okay, so I try to make new recipes, like I learn from YouTube. I learned from YouTube, like how to make cake, how to bake cookies, or many. Means usually I eat simple food. Means simple food is the best food for me, and I feel happy and I feel healthy. So usually I eat simple food. Otherwise, if any festival comes, so I prefer to eat many food. Means I prefer to make many food, different type of food in occasionally, and then I eat. So it is my favorite food, and I like simple food, and I recommend others too. Means you have to eat simple food, because simple food is very healthy and very nutrient. If I eat that food though, so we don't feel any lethargic one, and all the anything means all the things we don't feel. Nowadays I am eating only simple food because I have to practice English, and I have to uh, take out time for myself. So I am eating healthy food, and usually eat healthy food only. So this is my favorite food, and this is my description. So it's your turn now. What is your favorite food? You have to describe it and write in the comment box. Then I will read and I will reply also. See you tomorrow for day 7. And until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep growing in your life. Bye bye.